Let me ask you something. When you hear the word logo, do you feel excited or confused? Maybe you want to design one, but you don't know where to begin. You open the software, you see the black screen, and you start. For this tutorial, we will design a Wordmark logo. A Wordmark logo uses only text. There is no icon and symbol. This is perfect for beginners because it teaches you the structure of basics. The brand name we are using QUBIRA. QUBIRA is a tech company, so the logo feel modern, clean, professional, and trustworthy. Before touching the software, ask simple question. What is the brand name? What does the company do and who is the target audience? Write those answers down. Design without thinking create confusion. Now look at other tech Wordmark's logo. Search for modern tech branding, search company logos and clean Wordmark's logos. Observe font choice, letter spacing, simplicity and balance. Don't do the copy. Just train your eyes. Once the research is done, now move into the sketch and mind mapping. Before we designing digitally, start on a paper. Write QUBIRA on the center. Around it, write keywords like innovation, technology, trust, modern and simple. Connect the words with line. Now sketch different variation of QUBIRA. Try uppercase, lowercase, different thickness, wide spacing, tight spacing. Those sketches do not need to be look good. They help you think clearly. Now open your design software, type the word QUBIRA. The most important step. Now adjust the space between letter. This is called kerning. Do not trust default spacing. Zoom in QUBIRA. Look at each pair of letter. Some letters may feel too close, some may feel too far apart. Adjust one pair at a time. Remember, the goal is not equal space. The goal is balance the space. Good kerning makes your logo feel clean, professional and carefully designed. Take your time here. Small changes create big improvement. If you want to improve your letter spacing, practice on this website. It's help you understand how letters sit together and why equal spacing is not always correct. With a practice, your logo will feel cleaner and more professional. I will attach the link in the comment and description. Now, step back and look again. Remove anything unnecessary. No extra effect, no extra decoration and no extra fonts. And always remember, clean logos last longer. Test your logo at different size, very small and very large. If QUBIRA is still clear and readable, you are on the right path. Now add the color. Color comes last. For a tech company, one color is enough. A strong logo must work in black first. Since this is a Wordmark logo, font choose is very important. One main font for QUBIRA, one supporting for a tagline if needed. Using more than two fonts can make the logo look messy. Ask yourself, is it readable? Does it feel modern? Does it match a tech company? If the fonts feel right, the logo will feel right. Your first logo will be not perfect, and this is normal. When I was starting just like you, I made a lot of mistakes. Mistakes is part of learning. So don't be afraid of them. Keep practicing, you will improve. And one day you will look back and realize how much you have grown from being a beginner. And always remember, strong basics create a strong designer. If this video is helpful to you, please give a thumbs up to the video for a algorithm and tell me in the comment which part do you like in this video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Alvida.